Welcome back, everyone. Working on the skid steer today. Taking the rockers off so I get the injectors out. These haven't been off in a while. There was really not any rust up in the top here where the rockers on, so I think we may get lucky here. Now, of course, just like the 7610, it wasn't parked because it was running perfect. So once we get it running, we see what it needs. Probably a full engine rebuild, I'd say. I might just go ahead and rebuild the motor and not even get it running until it's been rebuilt. I did say it was rebuilt, but apparently the guy who rebuilt it messed something up when he was rebuilding, which is quite usual. There's a lot of people out there that rebuild engines that shouldn't rebuild engines. If you're not 100% sure with rebuilding an engine, you shouldn't rebuild an engine. I mean, a lot of engines are pretty simple, like the 7.6. That engine's pretty simple. I mean, camshaft, connecting rods, crank, pistons, rings, bearings, that's pretty much it on the inside of the motor. And then, I mean, balance too, but now I gotta go get a, use this wrench, maybe I use this wrench. Behind on videos some. I got a bunch of videos recorded, but they're taking forever to upload, so sorry about that. If you're wondering where my videos are at, that's where they're at. So there is more videos coming. I already got a bunch filmed. So as of course they're probably all gonna be uploaded the time you see this video. Maybe. At least the ones I filmed the other day. Today is Tuesday, January 30th, I believe. Come on, don't be stubborn. Okay. No, is okay. Okay, there's the rockers. Man, only if you could smell what that smells like. It smells like diesel mixed with motor oil that's been at the same temperature for like 30 years. Ask me how I know what that smells like. I mean, this ain't the first diesel engine I've ripped apart. Now, with that was out of the way, I can get in here with my adjustable, and I should be able to these injectors. Don't fight me. It doesn't help that there's like briars going through the damn injector. Actually doesn't help at all. Okay. Those aren't moving. Those are not gonna move. Let's see if we can get in here. Turn that like that. See if I can. I think we got it. I think we got it. Come on. I have no idea when the last time these injectors were pulled, but okay, that one is pretty much ready. Let's see if we can get on this one. Come on. Did I already break that one? No. No. That was a stinking. Come on. Come on. There. Woo. Man. Got tons of projects to do and not enough time and not enough money for them. It's like YouTube. I'm trying to make YouTube a full-time job, but the YouTube doesn't pay worth crap, and it's because my videos really don't get that much views. I mean, my shorts get some views, but I mean, I'm gonna need like 100,000 views, or I mean, yeah, that's 3 cylinders, so there's only 3 injectors. Let's see if I get this one broken loose. Oh. Alright. Busting my finger open on this bolt. So I got this loose, I can move these push rods back. So I put the other ones back. Come on. Okay. Ready to pull the injectors and get up out of this thing. Oh, seat comes up. I didn't know it did like that. Alright. Got them stinking injectors loose on this old hydra-mac. Let's see if I move you guys over here so I get you a better angle of what's going on. No. That's better. Right there. Okay. I gotta get that back. Here's two. That bad either. Here's injector one. You can see there's been water in the top of the motor right there because of the way the oil is, but it hasn't been able to rest, so. We might get lucky here, or we might not. We might need to pull the pistons, but I got a walkie microscope or camera tool that I can look in the cylinders with, so I'm gonna go get that for you guys. So, okay, got my walkie camera tool, and we are gonna look in. Ooh. Ew, ew, ew. So you guys see what's going on there. Got some rust in the cylinder. What the heck do we got there? Top of the piston looks like it's gone. You see that? Are you seeing that? Right there too. But right over here. Oh, it's like that too. I don't know, that could be in the injectors, but I thought once you pull the injector, you see the top of the piston. The injectors does not seem that bad, but I could be wrong on that. That could very well be, but I guess basically what we do now is pull the stinking muffler off because it is cracked and what's that? Yeah. I don't even know if I'll be able to get to them. Looks like I'm gonna need a ratcheting wrench for that. How about on here? Can I get to these? No, but I need to break it free up there so it's loose. Break it free so it's loose. Over here, so you see what the heck I'm doing up here now. Good stuff for you guys. Breaking these bolts loose over here so you can loosen this exhaust. Because I think we'll be pulling the head off this motor. I might just go ahead and pull the motor and see if it's rebuildable. If it's rebuildable, I'll look for a engine build kit for it. If it's not rebuildable, I'll probably look for a different motor. I could go gas, put a Honda in it, like a IX, GX 800, or I could put a 3-cylinder Perkins engine in it, which would be way better than the diesel motor in this. But, yeah. There is a crack in the manifold, exhaust manifold. So we need to look at that. Now, so we got the room there. We do one of these. This like that. Then we do the old famous whack-a-boom. The old famous whack-a-boom. To get that out, then we can put the nuts back on it. And set over here. Get all probably some parts about this thing, so I don't forget them a lot. Got frickin' parts everywhere on this thing. Okay. I don't think it's just gonna break off. Sometimes you get lucky with them and they just break off, but I don't think that's gonna be the case here. But I think a great spot where you guys will be able to see a lot better is on the top here. So we'll see about that. Look at that. Seems like such better stuff for you guys. How about that? How's that look to you guys? Seat tight. Flip. it forward. Which seems like a good spot to set you guys. Yeah, let's try in here. There. There. Well, it's not. I just have to cut the bolts, torch them. It's not being nice. It is not being nice. Get a screwdriver and get that airbox loose. I think I'll be able to get that one on there. Maybe right here I'll be able to get it. Well, intake's all full of type of good stuff, great stuff. I'd say it might just be better to cut the exhaust in half. Look at that. Well, that's how you move exhaust on a skid steer. It's just... Look at the exhaust. You guys seeing this? I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. It is packed full of rust and everything. It'd probably just be easy to pull the cylinder versus the exhaust manifold. So that's what we would probably just do. Another hose clamp. Gonna have to do some welding on that exhaust manifold because I don't think I can find one. Okay, there's that. Yeah. Pretty much. I was just able to break the exhaust off. Manifold. Look at all that. She might be a goner. She might be a goner. But N.R.T don't give up. We're gonna get her done. We're gonna get her right. We're gonna do the job right. Because if you ain't doing the job right, you ain't doing it at all. See if I can try and get one of these. I will go get a piece of cardboard to put this through. This is an old school trick. Basically take a piece of cardboard, write down the number on it. Then you take the push rods. Come on. It's fighting me. It's fighting me. One. Flathead screwdriver, wherever the heck that's at. I have my stinking knife on me. Never get that. What are we at? Probably at 30 to 40 minutes. Yeah, we're at 37 minutes. So, I'm going to end the video here. I'll catch you guys on the next one.